Guys, my name is Santrupth Dhari. I'm age 15 and so today I'm going to show you how to make cheese sandwich at home. At this point of time, ordering something from out can be a little bit risky. So today I'm going to show you how to make cheese sandwich at home. Now. So starting with this, here are the ingredients: cheese, bread slice, tomato slice, potato slice, butter, mayonnaise, some chaat masala and salt together. I added the cheese on the bread, add tomatoes and then some potatoes and then some chaat masala and salt. Add mayonnaise on the other side and then I'm gonna add butter on top and I'm gonna add it to the toaster. So guys, my sandwich is ready. So guys, my sandwiches are ready. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try this at home. So I'm gonna see you in the next video with you. Bye bye.
Like, share and subscribe.